welcome with Rcare Overseas Education, and my name is Mani. Today in this video we're going to discuss about the opportunities for all the students who wanted to go to Germany and they couldn't fly due to n number of reasons. Second, this video would be about the application procedure for Austria, and the third most important part would be about the visa success rate. This video is very important for all the viewers who don't know about a channel that we keep telling about Germany, Austria, Spain, Switzerland, about the monthly expenditures, investments and so on. So if you wanted to know more information, you can check our description where the different playlists are there according to your availability. Now let's come to the point, which is a very important point, is for the students who are not able to clear TestAS or who don't want to appear for TestAS. As everyone know that TestAS is compulsory for all the students for bachelors in Germany from 2023 September intake. So if you are not able to clear TestAS, please don't get disappointed. The opportunity is there through Austria. So how the opportunity is there through Austria, that I would be telling in my next video, because this is about Austria actually. This is not about Germany. So I would be telling the next video, which will be about the Erasmus, how you can move from Austria to Germany. This would be from the second video, okay? Now, so the students who are not able to clear the TestAS and maybe don't want to appear for the TestAS, for them, they can get an admission in Austria and then they can go to Germany. This is what you can do. Now let's start with an application procedure. So what is an application procedure? How we can apply to Austrian universities? The Austrian universities are really similar as compared to Germany in terms of their education and requirements. More or less they are similar, but they're not exactly similar actually. So what I mean by more or less similar means, in Germany also we need the German language for most of the universities, and in Austria also we need the basic German language of A1 and A2. But the only point is, in Austria, if you go for an English taught program, there are good universities who need the basic German A1 or A2. So please make sure that you know A1 and A2 before applying to the universities. Second, whenever we apply to the universities, we simply have to go on the website of the university. We need to download the application form, we need to fill the application form, and we need to submit the documents. Now, submitting is the most important part. Why? Because the submitting of the documents needs the legalization of the documents. This would be only done, I would not say done, but this takes a lot of time actually. So make sure if you're planning for Austria, then this homework of legalization should be done at least 4 to 6 weeks before, because it takes that time. All right. Now, if I talk about the deadline for these universities, the deadlines for the September intake majorly closes in the month of January, February and March. It's not like Germany that it's going to be up till 15 July and so on. So the deadline for these universities closes very soon. So this is very important point, that you have to keep a track for the deadline. And if I talk about the ranking of the government universities is really good. It's not I would say, in fact, for most of the ranking for the universities in Austria is better than Germany actually, but the ranking is really good for Austrian universities, so you don't have to worry about the ranking. But if you get an admission into the capital city like Vienna, then it's a very good idea, and the exposure level is also good. Now I have given a brief idea about the application, which is through online portal, then the legalization of the document, then the German language, and most importantly the deadline. Okay, now let's come to the visa part. Visa success, very important. The visa success for Austria is really high, and if you get an offer letter from the public university, so the chances for the visa success is really high. If you take our case, we do not have any rejection yet. So, and we have seen from the past students, and we have discussed with various students there in Austria and various universities, that the visa success is really high for Austria. So you don't have to worry about the visa success rate. I would soon be making up the video. My next video would be only about the visa success rate, the documents for the visa, and how you can apply for the visa for Austria. So keep in touch, keep updating yourself. We would be very happy to provide you the information for Europe. Thank you so much for watching this video.